Hello, good citizens. Welcome to Master Asador Barbecue, my YouTube channel. My name is Gustavo, and today we're gonna have grilled corn. We're gonna make a fun, nice recipe. Grilling some corn and put in a couple of spices, and you'll see how nice and juicy and great it's gonna be. So we're gonna proceed with the ingredients now. All right. So the first step is gonna be peel some of the leaves off the corn. So we just leave a few on, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean that up real good, and then we're gonna take all the hair, musk, whatever you call this. Let's see. Yeah, let's leave it about half of these things. This is little small corn in here. Then we're not gonna break them. We're gonna put them back on. I try to cover like this. And we're gonna do the same thing for every corn. Alright, so we have all the corn cleaned up, but we still have some of the stuff, the husk in it. So we're going to put them in water for like about 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes, so they hydrate good, you know, and when we grill them, you know, we keep them moist and everything. We'll explain later why we leave the peels on, the covers on. You'll see when we grill. So here is our corn out from the water. What we're going to do is we're just going to put it on the grill like this. So that way it's going to cook on its own juices, and being in the water for all this time, it's going to keep them hydrated. And then eventually we're going to remove the cover, and it's going to get nice, a little bit of a crispy and charred. Alright, about 15-20 minutes has passed by. We've been turning them around. You can see they are, you know, they are kind of like a little bit charred on the outside, not much. Now we're going to take this off, and we're going to put it back in the grill so that it gets a little choky. And I get a stick of butter, and I'm going to start this way I throw a little salt and sticks on it. Alright, my friends, we're going to proceed to taste this. Perfect. Very juicy, very flavorful, just butter and salt, that's all it needs. Beautiful summer snack, or summer company with other plates. As you can see, it's still all moist and beautiful. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and we'll be loading more videos, so please subscribe if you like them. Thank you very much. Have a good day.